Welcome to our cozy home tour. Let's start with the living room. Warm lighting and plush rugs instantly create a snug vibe. In the bedroom, layering soft blankets and chunky knits on your bed makes it impossible to resist curling up. The kitchen feels warm when you add natural wooden textures, soft under-cabinet lights, and freshly baked goods. Turn your bathroom into a spa oasis with a wooden bath caddy, fluffy towels, and a flickering candle. Create a dedicated reading nook with an overstuffed armchair, a chunky blanket, and a warm floor lamp for those quiet evenings. Fairy lights draped over the headboard add a magical, intimate sparkle to your mornings and evenings alike. A dedicated coffee station with rustic ceramic mugs makes the kitchen feel incredibly inviting and lived in. Heated towel racks and soft amber lighting make stepping out of the shower feel like a warm embrace. Jewel-toned velvet sofas and a crackling fireplace are absolutely perfect for those rainy, cozy evenings indoors. A canopy bed draped in sheer fabrics, paired with the glow of salt lamps, creates the ultimate comforting cocoon. Baking on a chilly evening fills the kitchen with a comforting glow and the promise of sweet, warm cinnamon rolls. Dark walls paired with an abundance of flickering candles turn a simple bath into a deeply relaxing, moody sanctuary. Bring life and warmth into your living space by combining natural sunlight, woven textures, and a thriving indoor jungle. An attic bedroom with sloped ceilings and exposed beams offers the perfect hidden hideaway on a quiet, rainy afternoon. A built-in breakfast nook with plush cushions and warm light is the best spot for slow, comforting coffee moments. Embrace a zen-like coziness with warm wooden slat walls, indirect amber lighting, and a deep soaking cedar tub. Transform your living area with deep floor cushions, thick rugs, and a projector for the ultimate cozy movie night. A private fireplace and heavy velvet curtains make the bedroom feel incredibly safe and warm on a cold winter morning. Low lighting, gleaming copper pots, and a simmering stove turn meal prep into a deeply comforting evening ritual. Warm terracotta tiles and a plush robe waiting by the shower create a gentle, inviting start to your morning routine. A worn-in leather sofa and the warm sound of a vintage record player instantly create a nostalgic, cozy atmosphere. There is nothing cozier than a rainy morning spent under a cloud-like duvet with a warm cup of tea and a good book. Simmering a hearty stew on a vintage stove fills your kitchen with warmth, rich aromas, and absolute rustic charm. A deep bubble bath surrounded by the soft twinkle of fairy lights is the ultimate way to unwind on a chilly evening. A plush window seat filled with heavy blankets provides a magical, warm sanctuary while watching the snow fall outside. Bohemian textures, low beds, and warm string lights create a deeply relaxing, grounded, and intensely intimate space. Golden morning sunlight streaming over fresh coffee and pastries makes the kitchen feel incredibly welcoming and warm. Hanging fresh eucalyptus in a steamy, stone-clad shower creates a deeply comforting and aromatic home spa experience. Clear the coffee table and add floor pillows around a roaring fire for the coziest, warmest family game night ever. Even minimalist spaces feel incredibly cozy when you layer massive, chunky wool blankets and soft, warm ambient lighting. Brewing a hot cup of chamomile tea in a dimly lit, warm kitchen is the perfect, quiet midnight ritual. Waking up to warm, radiant floors and gentle morning sunlight transforms your bathroom into a private, cozy sanctuary. Heavy wool tartan blankets and a massive stone fireplace offer the ultimate protection and warmth against a winter storm. The golden hour sunlight casting long, warm shadows over soft terracotta linens creates a perfectly lazy afternoon mood. A bubbling pot of hearty soup and freshly sliced sourdough bread make the kitchen the coziest place on a rainy day. Soft, frosted vanity lights and a fluffy, cloud-like robe transform your evening skincare routine into a relaxing ritual. The pulsating, warm red glow of dying fireplace embers against dark plum velvet creates an incredibly restful night. Layering a colorful patchwork quilt over thick flannel sheets is the best way to stay warm on a freezing winter morning. A reclaimed wood table overflowing with fresh pine and dozens of dripping candles creates a truly magical holiday feast. Thank you for joining our cozy home tour. Layer your textures, dim your lights, and create your own perfect sanctuary.